Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone late at night, lost in an endless sea of social media, only to realize it's way past your bedtime? You're not alone. Welcome to I2. Future technology has crept into every part of our lives, but one of the most alarming ways it's affecting us is by disrupting our sleep. Today, we're diving deep into how screens, notifications, and digital habits are robbing us of most importantly, how to reclaim our nights. From blue light exposure to non-stop pings and dopamine-driven social media loops, technology is keeping our brains wired, restless, and sleep-deprived. But let's break this down, starting with the science. Our bodies rely on melatonin, a sleep hormone, to regulate our sleep cycle. But the blue light from screens tricks our brain into thinking it's still daytime, reducing melatonin production and making it harder to fall asleep. The result? A restless night and groggy mornings. And it's not just blue light. The constant stimulation from notifications, endless scrolling, and high-intensity entertainment keeps our minds in a state of hyper-alertness, making it nearly impossible to wind down. So how do we fix this? It's time to take control and build healthier habits. Here's how. Try cutting off screen time at least an hour before bed. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading a book, meditating, or listening to calming music. Your brain needs a cue that it's time to slow down. If you must use a device, enable night mode or blue light filters. These settings adjust the color temperature of your screen, reducing eye strain and minimizing melatonin suppression. Keep gadgets out of your bedroom, or at least away from your bed. Invest in an old-school alarm clock so you're not tempted to check your phone first thing in the morning or last thing at night. A bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest, not a second office or entertainment hub. Many devices now have built-in digital wellness features. Use them. Set app limits, enable bedtime mode, and schedule screen-free hours to remind yourself when it's time to log off and unwind. What you watch or read before bed matters. Avoid intense, anxiety-inducing content like news or thriller movies that spike your adrenaline. Instead, opt for lighthearted, relaxing content that helps ease your mind. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly space. Dim the lights, lower the room temperature, and use blackout curtains. White noise machines or relaxing nature sounds can also create a peaceful atmosphere that promotes restful sleep. At the end of the day, better sleep starts with better habits. Technology isn't the enemy. It's how we use it that makes the difference. Try these simple changes, be intentional about your digital habits, and see how they improve your sleep and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights on tech, health, and lifestyle. Sleep well and see you in the next one.